You're videoing.
New decals. After we painted it, we did paint it international red though. That's okay. This is the hydrostatic. This is the 310-8 we have.
No, that's not 310-8. That's 310-8.
This one here. This is 312-8. It needs a little bit of work, but it'll work.
It's got a side discharge on it.
Yep. And there they are.
Yeah, they are. Here, one more second. Show on the back of it.
This is the back of it. Needs a new seat, but that's okay.
And this is where the hard, come here. This is where the hard plastic goes.
Yep.
So everyone, I was just going to show you our wheel horses, what we got here.
Oh, here, get a shot at this.
It's a beauty.
Yep. Made in America.
Show my little decal on the back of the seat.
That's his little.
Yeah, let's make it better.
Yep. All right.